Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to listen to Spotify while playing Roblox. So firstly you have to open your browser, then type Spotify in the search panel, then left click. Now go to the Spotify web player browser website. After that you will see that there are a lot of music in your home page. Firstly verify that you are logged in to your account. Then you can access all the different musics from here. After that, in the search panel of Windows, search Roblox player, then click on open. Now go to any game that you want and click on play. After getting into the game, press escape and go to the settings menu. From here, turn down the volume of your game to the lowest possible or mute your audio. After you have lowered your volume, go back to the Spotify tab, and from here play any song that you want to listen to. After you click on play, the song will start playing. And now if you get into the game, you can play while listening to Spotify in the background. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.